Ano ba talaga ginagawa mo? Business ba yan o hobby? Back in the day, nung nagtuturo pa ako ng New Zealand tax sa mga fresh grads, one of the things we talk about is the difference between a hobby and a business. Anong pinakaiba? You are doing business if your intention in doing what you do is to make profits. And if your intention is to make profits, kailangan malinaw sa'yo how are you making profits, and having the right numbers in real time enables you to control kung paano kumikita ang business mo. Pustahan tayo. People who call themselves business owners would immediately quit once things go sideways sa ginagawa nila. Ganun kasi pag hobby lang. When things go wrong, madali kang magpanic kaya madali mo ding iiwan. Wala kang direksyon eh. So yes, kung seryoso ka sa ginagawa mo and you really are trying to do business, knowing your numbers is a critical ingredient. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihing negosyante ka kung wala kang pakialam sa accounting ng business mo. This is the power of accounting automation, and if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Lagi tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.